If vitamin A is not taken in sufficient quantities, visual disturbances may arise. This vitamin deficiency is aggravated by smoking and caffeine. It is therefore necessary to consume foods rich in provitamin A, beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Beta-carotene and vitamin C are contained in fruits, such as citrus fruits, kiwis, apricots, and in vegetables, such as tomatoes, parsley, chervil, spinach, and watercress. Vitamin E is found mainly in cereal sprouts. In case of visual acuity and/or night vision disorders, phytotherapy recommends the consumption of blueberries. Better consumed whole because the juice creates high glycemic peaks. To prevent cataracts, vitamin B2 is useful, which is found in yeast, liver, wheat sprouts, fish, dried fruit, and egg yolk. Selenium, which is found in wheat sprouts, whole grains, onions, yeast, and pineapple, is also very useful. In case of dry eyes, it is recommended to take vitamin F, which is found in vegetable oil from wheat sprouts, sunflower, and peanuts, provided they are first cold pressed, peanuts, walnuts, almonds, and avocados, evening primrose and borage oil. Insufficiency of alpha-linoleic acid can have serious consequences for the retina. Alpha-linoleic acid is found in walnuts, soybean, and canola oils. The consumption of raw cabbage and carrots is recommended.